Here we are, I have the champagne and I have the key. Good afternoon, good morning everyone. So I am Matthieu, I'm a proud owner of a flat in Calle Provenza in Barcelona. I'm French, I've been living in Barcelona for 6 years and I always had the project to buy a flat, but I had different experiences that were not fruitful. And then I decided to contact Inspire. It was more or less 8 months ago. And why did I contact Inspire? Because it has been recommended through a friend of mine. It started like that. And then I wanted to make sure I was making the right step in the real estate investment, which is an important step when you don't speak Spanish and it's full of traps and tricks. And I thought Inspire was the right agency to accompany me during the different approach. And yeah, so I'm very happy. I think it works smoothly. I need to thank Anna, Elena, Raf. It hasn't been easy. It has been also tricky with interest rate raising, but here we are. I have the champagne and I have the key. So shall an investor like me having a plan to buy an apartment would invest in an agency like Inspire? Yes, in the end that you're buying a peace of mind, making sure that you are making the right step in terms of, I think I really like the legal and architectural due diligence. And also being French, not being an expert in the Spanish language or the law, it was very comfortable for me to have someone making sure that everything is under control. At the end of the process, it's a big investment. Adding the fees, of course, it will cost you additional money, but you have a peace of mind and you're confident that you've made the right investment.